Hey guys, it's Wednesday and it's like 2 o'clock. I wasn't going to do a weekly vlog this week. I had kind of decided in my head to give it a break because I felt like my vlogs were getting quite samey and I felt like I was getting bored of them. So I was like, if I'm getting bored of them, you guys must be so bored of them. But I need to pull myself together and get on with it and stop being so harsh on myself. The past, in fact, this whole year so far, I've just been so horrible to myself all the time, and it needs to stop. I'm in like a really weird rubbish headspace where I'm putting myself down for everything and comparing myself to everyone and everything, doing everything else, and I'm just not feeling great, and I think that comes across in my vlogs, which is not good. But I obviously want to keep things real. My teeth are really hurting me still. Teeth whitening, ouch. I'm gonna have to take some ibuprofen in a sec, I think. I'm also going away next week on a little holiday, and I was like, I wouldn't film because then it would be less to do before I go away, because at the moment I've already edited 3 videos this week, so I can still have stuff going up by the time I'm away, if that makes sense. Oh, I feel like I'm so shit at explaining things. I'm literally pissing myself off so much at the moment because I edit videos and I watch them back and I'm like, Katie, why can you not string a sentence together? Like, what is wrong with you? Why are you not a normal human being? Ugh. But yeah, I had a meeting this morning. Wednesday morning had a meeting, and then because I was feeling a bit shit, I decided to do some retail therapy. So I thought I'd quickly show you some of the bits that I bought. It was all like high street stuff. I thought even if this isn't like an entire week-long weekly vlog, at least it's a little one and I can show you some bits that I picked up. Yeah, I've got a blogger event tomorrow as well, which I'm probably going to vlog. To be honest, I've actually got a little bit of anxiety about it, and it's so weird because I never get anxiety about blogger events ever. I think that just shows that I'm not in a great headspace at the moment. But yeah, it's like an all-day blogger event, and I know a few people that are going, but I feel like I don't know them well enough that I can't hang out with them all day. And it's an all-day event. We're going to Margate, and I don't want people to think that I'm latching on to them or hanging out with them because they've got more subscribers than me. I'm ruining their day by just latching on, but I really don't want to be stood by myself in a corner at this event all day. So yeah, I know it will be fine and I'll have fun, and I'm sure that there'll be people there that I know and are friends with, but just thinking about it, it's making me a bit anxious. I'm going to show you some bits I picked up. I mean, retail therapy helps, doesn't it, when you're feeling a bit rubbish? But then I always get like spender's guilt when I buy things, and I'm like, oh, I should have spent that money, but oh well. From Topshop, I picked up this. It's the cutest little white off the shoulder polka dot like crop top. I think it's so cute. I think I might actually wear this tomorrow, like a perfect summer top. And then I went to River Island and I picked up this. This might be like pajamas, I'm not really sure. It came with like jogging bottoms, but it's the softest material I've ever felt, and it's bright peachy pink and off the shoulder, another thing that I love. And I thought that I could wear this on top of that just to keep me warm in the daytime, and because they're both off the shoulder it won't like show too much underneath. I'm also going to take this on holiday with me next week, just to like feel comfy and snuggly in, perhaps on the plane there and back. I will leave links for everything down below as well. Also from River Island, I picked up this really cute little crop top, like pinky peach crop top with a floral print on and like frilly detailing around the sleeves, which I think is beautiful. And then I literally went to every shop. I don't normally do this, but like I haven't done this in years where I just browse shops. Normally like there's something in particular that I want and I only go to that store, or I do all of my shopping online, so this was like a rarity. I picked up a few bits from H&M. First is this like pink corduroy skirt with buttons down the front. Oh, I love this so much. I cannot wait to wear it, and I think I'll wear it a lot over the summer. It fits really nicely, it's like great length on me, and yeah, love that. Also got this cute, another off the shoulder pink crop top. I thought, even though it's like a different shade, I thought these would go really cute together, like a pink tonal cute outfit. I picked up some polka dot tights from H&M. These are quite pricey, £6.99. I don't think I've ever spent that much on a pair of tights before. I could probably get them cheaper on eBay, but I wanted them just in case I decided to wear that skirt tomorrow. And then also from H&M, I picked up this blazer, a black and white monochrome, quite long, comes down past my bum. It looks really cute with the skirt and also looks nice with the jeans. I'm not entirely sure whether to keep this because I do have something quite similar, but I thought it would be nice to throw on in the summer as like a light jacket, but you could also wear it in the winter with like a jumper underneath perhaps. They didn't have size 10, which is what I wanted, so I had to get size 8. But yeah, let me know what you think of this. And then I got loads from Primark, like seriously loads of stuff from Primark. I'll show you quickly. First up, some hair clips. I've got such thick hair and these ones have extra grip with like micro teeth in them, so I thought I'd try those out. I picked up this really gorgeous blue dress. It has the buttons all the way down the front, which is a very big trend in stores I've seen at the moment. I haven't tried this on yet, so I think it might be a little bit too long, but I could always take it up a bit myself. That was £13. Bargain. Also, I feel like this is that material that just doesn't crease, which is great for traveling. I found this like ribbed black t-shirt. It's kind of cropped, high neck, and I bought this also in white. I thought it was just a nice staple to have. All of my white t-shirts kind of lose their colour a bit, so I thought I'd quickly pick those up because they were £4 each. It's a nice basic. They like all of these things so far will go with this skirt. I got this top. Again, it's very, very similar, but it has kind of a lettuce hem on the bottom and on the sleeves, and on the front it says starry-eyed, which I love. So obviously might be related to the Ellie Goulding song, but I really like that. I'm getting quite into leopard print again. I went through this phase a while ago and now I'm getting back into it, but I saw this little vest top with a little tie at the bottom. This was £5. I got it in a size 10, and again I thought just with high-waisted black jeans or like shorts would look cute, and a big denim jacket. Stripy t-shirt. I like the thick band at the bottom and I like the way it rolls in at the front, so it kind of looks like a crop top, but this was £4. Absolute bargain. Again, just a staple. And finally, I love these whole kind of like cropped wrappy tops at the moment. I'm wearing them all the time, and this one was really cute. It has again nice floral print on them. I love a floral print. I just find these really easy to wear with anything, and I like the sleeves as well. So yeah, that was like a speed haul, very speedy haul. So I'm out at this event all day tomorrow, and then on Friday I am going to Lakeside because something I filmed with Lakeside a couple of weeks ago is now out. If you don't know what Lakeside is, it's called Into You Lakeside. It's a shopping centre in Essex, and I actually worked there. I had my first ever jobs there when I was a teenager. For them to have got in touch and asked for me to be in their spring summer fashion campaign was like a massive achievement. I was so excited. So I'm going to go in store on Friday with my mum and see like the campaign on the big screen. I cannot wait. I've also got my book club on Friday, so yeah, and then I'm going away next week, so I've got a lot of work to do today. Today's like my last day at home to get it all done, so that's my plan. I'll tell you one thing I'm currently obsessed with: wheat crunchies, bacon flavor. Oh, they're just so crispy, they're beautiful. Favourite snack. I'm just trying some of my clothes on that I bought earlier, and I love this dress from Primark, but it's a tiny bit too small around my bust area, which I'm really sad about. I mean, there's a chance I could pick it up again. Look, I mean, I'm not wearing a bra and my boobs are like I'm going to Lakeside on Friday, so hopefully I'll be able to pick it up again then. But look how cute it is. It's so beautiful. Really sad that my boobs are too big for it. I don't think they had a size 10 in store, so I had to go for this. But yeah, we will see. So this is the skirt from H&M. Isn't it gorgeous? And then this is also the top I bought. I'm not too sure on it actually. I think the colour's a little bit too close to my skin tone, so it looks a little bit too nude. But I do really like this combo together. This is the Topshop top, crop top. I love this. I think this will go with everything. I'll leave a link to it down below. But yeah, they're super cute. I could even wear this tomorrow, but I think it'd be too cold. Let me try on that jumper that I bought to go over this. Okay, so it was a little bit too see-through under this, which is such a shame. So I've taken that off. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's just like off the shoulder, so soft. You can kind of like tuck it in, a little bit baggy. I think I probably will keep this. Sorry if I'm nip slipping as well. It's so cold today. This is the other top I bought from River Island. Now ignore it with the skirt. But yeah, it's really cute. I love this detail. I love the print and the wraparound, and the fact that it would be a little bit cropped if I was wearing it with jeans as well. So beautiful. I love the colours of this as well. Okay, so this is the white ribbed top that I bought from Primark with the skirt, and also the blazer that I bought. I would love to hear what you think about this blazer. It is oversized and it is baggy and it isn't the most flattering on me, but I would wear it more as like a coat rather than like a formal blazer. I don't know. What do you reckon? It's like 7 o'clock now. Today's gone really quickly. I finished editing. I've done like, I think I've got a couple more bits to do, but I've mostly done everything I need to do before I go on holiday now next week, which is great. I'm going to make some dinner. I'm just going to make chicken fajitas, which you would have seen in Sunday's video, what I eat in a day video. So go and check that out. I'll leave a link down below. I decided to make some halloumi to go with my fajitas today. Very exciting. Got my cholla. I'm going to need to get some more of this soon. I am as snug as a bug in a rug. In bed. It's like 11:30. I wanted to get an early night, but I ended up going down like a YouTube wormhole where I just ended up in the depths of YouTube. I've got a really long day tomorrow at this blogger event, so I am going to say goodnight and I will see you then. So today I am off to Margate Dreamland. I've never been before, but I've heard so much about it. I am meeting everyone at Victoria Station, and then we're getting a coach to Margate and then coming back later this evening. So yeah, like I said yesterday, I'm nervous because I don't know if anyone I know is going, and it's quite a long time to be quite far away with like no one that you know you can hang out with. Am I being over dramatic? I don't know, but it's with one of my favourite brands. It's with L'Oreal, so I absolutely cannot wait. Let's go. We are on the coach. I'm currently like literally middle back. Look at this view. And we are on our way to Margate. Lads, so awkward. We've got snacks. We have gin and tonic popcorn, and this we all thought was booze, but it's actually rose lemonade. Very cute.
How disappointing.
We have made it to Dreamland. Oh look, L'Oreal. That's so cool. We're in the middle of a roller coaster. I am just getting some washing kind of hair dye. I'll show you. Colorista hair makeup, and we're using the shades lilac and pink. So pretty. I'm on a Ferris wheel. Very great. Oh, okay. Oh, they said the view would be amazing, but so far it's just a car park. Wow. No, it is quite cool actually. Just oh wow. Okay, yeah, they weren't lying. The view's amazing. Look at that. So I've literally just got back to London from sunny Margate. Fell asleep on the coach, feel really like zonked out now. But it's like 9 o'clock, past 9 o'clock, but I need to go out and vote. I need to get my vote in. It's important. We've been given the right to vote and we need to do it. 9 o'clock and I'm still out. Gonna go do it. It's getting dark, but it's fine. I probably could have driven to the polling station, but a little bit more fresh air, why not? I just hope I don't get mugged on the way. Look at this little bear I found. No! Oh, why do cats hate me? So I'm home now. It's 10 o'clock. It feels so much later than that. I'm really exhausted. And once I got home, I started to feel a bit nauseous. Can't work out if it's because I'm hungry or if it's because I've overeaten today. I've been travelling a lot, but yeah, I've made myself a bowl of honey nut cornflakes just to see if that makes me feel better, and I've also made myself a peppermint tea. I'm gonna go to bed, but I will see you tomorrow. Mwah. Well, it's Friday and I am at my parents' house. Me and my mum are going to Lakeside today to see the work that I did with them a couple of weeks ago live. I think I mentioned the other day that Into Lakeside was the place that I got my first ever couple of jobs. I worked there for 6 years, 1 year at Next and then 5 years at the Body Shop, and I loved it. And that was actually where I started my beauty blog whilst working there. So yeah, Lakeside means a lot to me. And they got in touch and asked if I wanted to be part of their spring summer fashion campaign, and I was like, yes, absolutely. So a couple of weeks ago, me, myself and 2 other bloggers, Laura and Alex, we went to Mersey Island in Essex, which is like a holiday, it has like a holiday park resort with a little beach, and we went there and got styled by Lakeside's personal shopper, and yeah, shot their spring summer fashion campaign. So I am going to Lakeside now with my mum to see it. If any of you want to, then I'll leave a link to the videos down below. My mum's like, who are you talking to? I'm talking to my camera. That's funny. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the video so you can go and see it down below and see all the outfits and stuff, but they're showing it on the big screen in the centre, and I also think they've got mannequins with their outfits on as well, so I really can't wait to go and see it. So yeah. My mum stopped off at a favourite shop in Lakeside, Butterflies. Yeah, they're really nice, aren't they? Oh, that's so cool. No, let's go in here after. I like these chests as well. Here we go. There's Laura. It's me. That's my outfit there. Here are some of my outfits. We've got the polka dot one here, and these are all like, oh look, they've got the prices of everything in here too. That's good. I love the bag, Primark. Look how good this bag is. I think I might need to go and get it. This was one of my favourite outfits. Top and shorts from Quiz. So cool. And this is my outfit. I love this skirt. I'm wearing one very similar today from H&M. Yeah, that is from Topshop. The Primark in Lakeside is so much better than the one in Stratford near me, and they've got so many nice things. I found the dress that I wanted to get in a size up. Look at this, beautiful. Look at that, beautiful. So love these. So much nice stuff. Absolutely love this bag from Cav Kidston. How nice is it? They've also got it in like a baby blue, and also this amazing colour. These are really nice as well. Love a good compartment. As you can see, it's actually like identical to my current bag. That's funny. We've just come to a little cafe to have some lunch. I've got a ham and roasted vegetable panini. It is now like 7 o'clock and I've met up with my family and these 2, and we're on our way to book club. We're doing it near mine in a local stop in a local pub, and so we're just on the way to meet everyone now. I haven't read the book. I've read 10% of it, so that's great. The book was Stephen Hawking's A Brief History of Time. This pizza looks amazing. Everyone's home. I am home now. It's like 1:30 in the morning. I'm so tired. Book club was good. The book got a 3.71 out of 5 in total, which I think is the highest scoring book so far we've had in book club. I didn't finish it all. I think I read 10%, but I just couldn't get into it. Like, I like reading books to escape and to relax, and that didn't relax me. It was very intense. The book was Stephen Hawking's A Brief History of Time. I can't remember if I said that. I'll leave it down below. Yeah, it's a great book, and it's so interesting, like everything that is talked about in it, but it's not really what I want a book for. So I think I gave it a 2.5. I gave it half. I am going to try and read the rest of it soon though. I'm going to take my makeup off and then get straight into bed. I hope you've enjoyed this weekly vlog. I'd love it if you could subscribe and check out the video I've got going up on Sunday. It's Get Ready With Me. I'm really happy with it. And also last Sundays is a What I Eat in a Day, so if you want to see that, go and check that out too. I'll leave a link down below. Oh, one more thing, next week's weekly vlogs are going to be really, really cool, so stay tuned for that too. Mwah!